Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to reuse empty paint bottles for decorative purpose. So without any delay, let's start. So first I'm taking blue acrylic paint and these are crushed eggshells. Mix this blue color with these crushed eggshells. Now mix it well. Take one empty paint bottle and I stuck heart shape in this place. You can stick anything you like. So now apply little glue on the bottle and spread the glue with paintbrush. Now put the eggshell mix on the paint bottle. So it looks like this. Next take another empty paint bottle and paint it with pink acrylic paint. So now I'm sticking these smileys. Now paint the upper part of the bottle with purple color. Okay, let's go for the next one. Take some golden glitter. So I'm sticking glitter flower. Apply some glue and spread it. And apply glitter to the whole bottle. So the last one comes. Now take black paint and draw random lines. Now fill it with any colors you like. Now tie the upper part of the bottle with jute thread. You can decorate as you like, so I decorated with flowers. Wow, really they are looking so cute. So if you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel.